All right, so first we gotta say first try.
No check engine light.
That's a good sign.
No check engine light is a bad sign.
Oh.
When
It's no bueno. It means the computer's dead.
The computer's not on.
Oh. I thought normally if check engine light's on, that's bad. So no check engine light would be
The
good.
check engine light is on until you start the car.
Yeah.
Oh.
Although I'm hearing something, but I can't because of the rain. I can't
It's
hear
the
it.
rain.
No. Listen to that. I'm hearing some sort of motor moving or something.
Yeah, there's a motor on the engine.
Oh, is it a drive-by-wire or is it the air pump or something?
I can't tell.
Where's that coming from?
I can hear it.
Well, let's see if it cranks real quick. Watch your finger.
What?
Just so it doesn't do the...
Yeah, you're good. That's good. So, sounds like it's coming from the corner here. Sounds like it's like right here.
Oh, it's the windshield motor.
Why would that be buzzing?
Because it's not attached to the windshield wipers currently, and the
Oh.
switch is depressed.
Oh.
There you go.
I don't know if this is going to be very worth doing. Testing voltage.
Yeah, this is not exciting.
Yeah.
It just shows troubleshooting.
Well, that suggests a little fuse, because that's...
There's no power.
Yeah, there's no constant feed. Problem is, the fuse is underneath the car that you need to get to.
Is it in the fender?
Yeah, it'll be the engine bay one. Oh wait, no, just kidding. It's got 12 volts. We're good.
Okay.
So isn't that?
So we got that.
Let's try this again. Hey!
Check engine light.
Yeah.
Sweet.
All right. So we went and did a little multimeter checking and just had a bad main relay. So we switched that out and we're good to go. So now we can finish putting this back together and we'll see if we can fire it up.
Good.
Battery kit work.
Yeah. You priming it?
Yeah, I'm just getting the, because it's got a bunch of air in the fuel lines, so
Oh.
I'm just pushing it through. I can hear it in the back,
Yeah,
but I can hear
it's
the
priming.
bubbles.
It's there. You're good.
Yeah, I
it's
can
at
hear
the
the
tank,
bubbles.
or it's at the fuel line.
All right, nothing is gonna hit. There's no belts, pulleys, things that your fingers are gonna touch,
No.
or something
I
gonna
think
fall.
we're all
No,
safe.
dude, we're solid.
Yeah!
And it died.
I mean, it sort of went.
The immobilizer got pissed off again.
It did?
Yeah, it started, and then it
Aw.
threw a code after. Let's see what it's pissed about now.
Yeah, I remember you told me when.
I don't know if it's because I can
No,
feel
I
it
can
priming
it's
every
the-
time.
Yeah, but that's not, immobilizer has nothing to do with
Is it
priming.
do ignition?
It does ignition and spark, or
Oh.
ignition and fuel later. But the security light, it goes off and then comes back.
Yeah, 'cause, you told me that if it's mad, the car will start.
It'll
but
start,
It'll just die,
it'll start
right?
die.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah, that's so weird. Well, that's new immobilizer problems we're gonna have to figure out.
It sounded
Is
so
it
good for
throwing
like
a
2
code?
seconds. I
Uh-huh.
was so
Is it throwing a
excited.
code?
I'm cheating right now.
All right, go ahead.
I'm cheating. Oh, weird exhaust leak. Huh? It's not an exhaust leak.
That's your fault, Lance.
I blame Lance.
Yay!
Not a bad U-Haul engine, I'll say.
Engine for a
I looked at the forearm
Elbow trick, elbow trick.
or elbow trick. Sorry.
Well, you get a kiss. Love you, good job.
Oh.
Well, it runs, but I kind of cheated, but it kind of works. So we're gonna have to figure it out. Basically, we still have immobilizer related issues to figure out on the 08 ECU, but we'll figure it out, so no worries.
Doodle 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 doodle. Like Harold.
all of the tools required. I actually have 2 other tools that I'm not plugging in right now, but will be using. Lots of tools.
So after you tinkered for it with a bit, what'd you find out?
Well, I had an idea. Didn't quite work the way I wanted to, which happens in this kind of thing. So for now, until we can eliminate some more variables, I went back and put in the newer ECU immobilizer box key setup so we can run it on the CAN bus ECU, and then we'll start eliminating variables again after that. So we just had to kind of take a couple steps back to go forward.
But now, so where are we at now?
It runs on the newer ECU.
But not all the features yet?
No, we don't. No, it runs on the newer ECU. That's about it right now.
Okay. You want to start it up for us?
Sure.
Sounds a lot better.
So a little PSA about this swap and your car. Wait. We have it in, we have it running, we are still solving problems. I don't know what it's gonna look like for an end customer yet, and whether it's gonna be really feasible, and even if it is, is it gonna be something you want to do? So be patient, let us work through this. It's been a couple weeks since we've made a ton of progress because the rest of the shop stuff has been crazy, but we're getting back on this, and we're gonna keep figuring things out. At the end, we'll give you guys, hopefully we'll have something, not guaranteed, but assuming that we do, we'll give you a pros and cons list, and you guys can make a decision about what is the best swap for you. Now we get to figure out all the rest of it. I need to make a trip to the hose place, so I'll just stop there on the way out. So we need modify PS plus pickup trans fluid.
Gas?
It's got gas.
Really old gas.
Yeah, it's
I know.
It's really
I'm trying to
old
remember.
gas.
I'm trying to remember if even I bothered to put 91 in it
I don't
because the
think
6-cylinder
so.
didn't care.
Yeah.
It might be 87, which is
I believe
not
he's-
good. Not
What about
good.
bleeding the clutch? You were
Ooh,
saying that
bleed
earlier.
clutch? Yeah.
Woo!
Good one.
Windy for the win.
Alternator.
And then you need an O-ring in the seal. Oh, but we're just gonna swap it out, right?
No, we'll just put fresh ones in.
So O-ring and seal. Gift carrier O-ring and seal.
I'll get those. Well, here we'll get part numbers for that later, so I can just order them and get
3XAW. I'm kidding.
them. I mean,
I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, alternator belt. Yep.
I think we have an alternator belt. I believe it's here. It's in one of the boxes. We'll double check before we go. We need to fix pick evap line at some point.
Yep, evap line. Radiator.
Yeah, radiator
Radiator and fans.
Got
So-
that.
Okay.
Yep. I'll start it up without that though.
The Mr. Cut.
Yeah. Smash.
Gotta fix that.
Airbox issue.
I gotta uncut the cut wire.
Let's figure out the airbox thing at some point. Oh, heater hoses.
I really want to see the stock airbox fit on it.
I know. I'm gonna make it happen.
Because the dimensions are the same.
The bracket. Yeah, I'm wondering how this. Will
I
go.
think they're the same. I think the only difference is the pitch between the Foresters is different. But you're going STI to STI. I'll bet you the pitch is the same. Because instead of the fitting up top and going up and around and back,
Yeah.
it's still going to the side. I guarantee the fit.
This seems like it goes up higher. Just could be me though.
I don't know.
Heater
I'm
hose.
curious.
We'll find out.
Yeah.
Oh,
We'll find out right after this.
So as of right now, you guys are going through the checklist of like what's left. So what seems like it's going to be the biggest headache / difficult because of customness?
None of them are overly difficult. The power steering will basically have sorted. That's going to be tougher. Airbox is going to be a problem because I want to use a stock airbox. The AC is going to be a kind of a pain in the butt because it needs custom ends. There's just a lot of like little odds and ends that when you do this on a GD to GC,
They require
you just
custom
bolt it on.
fabrication.
So it's just going to require custom and the fact that we haven't done it before and no one else has done, we're kind of just guessing based on our experience, but don't know exactly how it's going to play out. So we're going to try it and we'll see what happens. So it just from a DIYer standpoint, this is going to be more complicated than doing a GD because of the custom lines and stuff. So.